Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Our today's show is about types of makeup and how to apply makeup. What is makeup? Makeup is a cosmetic product used to enhance or alter the appearance of the face or other parts of the body. It can be used to cover up blemishes, create a more symmetrical or attractive appearance, or simply to express oneself creatively. There are many different types of makeup, each with its own purpose and effect. Here are a few of the most common types. Foundation. This is a liquid or cream that is applied to the skin to create an even base. It can be used to cover up blemishes, redness, and other imperfections. Concealer. This is a cream or liquid that is applied to specific areas of the face to cover up dark circles, blemishes, and other imperfections. Powder. This is a dry product that is applied to the skin to set foundation and concealer, and to absorb oil. Blush. This is a powder or cream that is applied to the cheeks to add color and definition. Bronzer. This is a powder or cream that is applied to the face to create a sun-kissed glow. Highlighter. This is a powder or cream that is applied to the face to create a luminous look. Eyeshadow. This is a powder or cream that is applied to the eyelids to add color and definition. Eyeliner. This is a liquid, pencil, or gel that is applied to the upper and lower eyelids to define the eyes. Mascara. This is a liquid that is applied to the eyelashes to make them longer, thicker, and darker. Lipstick. This is a cream or liquid that is applied to the lips to add color and definition. Lip liner. This is a pencil that is applied to the lips to define their shape and to prevent lipstick from bleeding. Makeup remover. This is a product that is used to remove makeup from the skin. There are also many different tools that can be used to apply makeup, such as brushes, sponges, and applicators. The type of tools you use will depend on the type of makeup you are applying, and your personal preference. Here are the steps on how to apply makeup. 1. Start with a clean face. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, and then apply a moisturizer. 2. Apply a primer. This will help your makeup go on smoothly and last longer. 3. Apply foundation. Choose a foundation that is the same shade as your skin. Apply it evenly to your face and neck. 4. Apply concealer. Concealer can be used to cover up blemishes, dark circles, and other imperfections. 5. Apply powder. Powder will help to set your makeup and keep it from looking oily. 6. Apply blush. Blush can be used to add color to your cheeks. Apply it to the apples of your cheeks and blend it out. 7. Apply eyeshadow. Eyeshadow can be used to create a variety of looks. Choose colors that complement your eye color. 8. Apply eyeliner. Eyeliner can be used to define your eyes. Apply it to the upper and lower lash lines. 9. Apply mascara. Mascara will help to make your eyelashes look longer and thicker. 10. Apply lipstick or lip gloss. Lipstick or lip gloss can be used to add color to your lips. Choose a color that you like and apply it evenly to your lips. Here are some tips for applying makeup. Use a light hand. It is better to start with a light application and then add more if needed. Blend well. Make sure to blend your makeup well so that it looks natural. Use the right tools. Use the right tools for the job, such as a foundation brush, concealer brush, and eyeshadow brush. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you will get at applying makeup. Have fun. Applying makeup should be fun, so enjoy the process. Thank you for watching the video until end, and for more similar this video please subscribe this channel.